Hello everyone, my name is Suraj Baburao. Currently I am working in L&T Infotech. I have last year passed my engineering from PICT Pune. So there is exam called scholarship in 5th standard now, but on my time it was in 4th standard and 7th standard. For now it is in 5th standard and 8th standard. So I have qualified 4th standard scholarship, 7th standard scholarship, after that 8th standard MTS exam, and I have scored 97.27% in my 10th board, and I have also qualified JEE mains. Okay, so where this idea come from? This lecture series is all about the math tricks. So as I earlier told you that I have qualified some exams. So for that quantitative aptitude is important. That is mathematics is important. So this lecture series is useful from anyone for anyone from first standard to graduation, or say who is preparing for MPSC, UPSC, or say railway exam, any competitive exam. So for the first lecture, what we will see, how to add any consecutive 10 numbers within 5 seconds. Let's say I'll give you one example. We need to add 1 to 10 numbers. How much time will it take? You'll calculate like 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 5 15, 15 plus 6 21, 21 plus 7 28, 28 plus 8 36, 36 plus 9 45, 45 plus 10 55. So how many seconds did it take? At least 10, 15, 20, right? Now I'll ask you another question. Now give me the sum of 7382 to 7391. All numbers from 7382 to 7391. How much time will it take? Lot, 20 seconds, 30 seconds. Even in calculator you will require at least 15 seconds. What if I tell you the sum is 73865 directly? How did I do that? Magic? Let's see. So here, what is the fifth number in this series? It is 1. 1 is first, 2 is second, 3 is third, 4 is fourth, 5 is fifth. Just do only one thing. Append 5 in front of fifth number. That's the sum. What I did here, same thing. The fifth number here is 7386. I just appended 5. Magic? Yeah, this is the correct answer. You can check it on calculator as well. So now we'll see one by one. For first for one digit, then for two digit, then for three digit, and then for 4, 5, anything. I'll solve this directly with method. When you try this, you can solve directly using this method as well as using calculator. For example, what is sum between 11 to 20? Sum of all the numbers between 11 to 20, or considering 11 as well as 20. It is 155. That's it directly. Then 207 to 260. What is the sum? 2, 1, 1, 5. You can check it on calculator. Now there is one confusion. The confusion is that in this series, the fifth number is 212. No, it's not. The fifth number is 211. You can check it. First number is 207, second is 208, third is 209, fourth is 210, then fifth is 211. If you are confused between which is fifth number, which is sixth number, just do one thing. I'll tell you the simplest thing here. Just ignore first digit, or ignore anything given beyond the 10th place number. Just add 4th in last two digits. It gives 11. Then append 5 and write other numbers as it is. This was 2-digit number example. For 3-digit as well, I'll tell you. Sorry, this was for 3-digit. For 4-digit as well, I'll tell you. 1 2 3 1 7 or 3 8. Let's say 7 7 again. So 1 2 4 7. How will we calculate the fifth number? Ignore first two. Just add 4 here. It gives 42. Write first two as it is and append 5. That's the sum. That's it. Anything can be solved using this method. Let's say now 6-digit number. Say 732151. Yeah, 6-digit, yes, right. So 732160. What is fifth number? We'll ignore this all. Just add 4 here. We'll get 55. Write all the numbers as it is and append 5. That's the sum. Okay. So that's it for this lecture. For the next lecture, we will see how to add consecutive 20 numbers within 5 to 10 seconds. That's it. Keep preparing. All the best. We'll meet you in the next lecture. Thank you.